see, Christine asks, I'm curious what the options are for screens on the multi-slide doors that open at the corner.
So typically, whenever you're adding a screen, you're actually adding to the track as well, because the screen has its own track. You do have the option to have a full screen, or you have the option to only have the lead screen as well. It just depends on the configuration and the preference of the client. If the client doesn't necessarily like to go with us as a manufacturer screen, folks also like to have the option of a third party screen, whether that's Phantom or Wizard or anything like that, just because not all the time is the screens like really a great thing to look at. But I understand that there's bugs that, you know, like to come into the spaces if it's an indoor outdoor living application. So screens are always that option. But I would say on a 90-degree corner, you know, you wouldn't necessarily have to have the two screens so that, you know, you're able to meet at that corner so that, you know, nothing is coming through. So again, too, to think about is the panels for our screens is a little bit larger than actually like what the interlock would look like. So it's depends on, you know, the client and what kind of look they're going for, but sometimes that panel is a little bit wider. It's not narrow at all.